Experty, I remember when you told me about Norki that he visited you in your dream, and that was a great adventure. How is dream in Spanish? El sueño. Okay, and if I would like to ask someone if they have frequent dreams, how I can say that? ¿Tus sueños son frecuentes? And if I would like to ask them if they remember their dreams, how I can say that? ¿Recuerdas tus sueños? And when we can dream, Experty? Cuando estamos en sueño profundo. Yeah, that is true. We can dream when we are in deep